Welcome back to Shift Zone 2025. Oncoming automobile today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the return of an iconic SUV, the Tata Sierra. This legendary nameplate from Tata Motors is making a comeback, and this time, it's coming with a modern twist, both an electric, EV, and internal combustion engine, ICE, variants. Let's dive into all the details, from design to features and the expected price. The Tata Sierra was first introduced in the 1990s and became a cult favorite due to its unique three-door design and bold SUV stance. Fast forward to 2025, and Tata is bringing it back with a futuristic design, a powerful electric motor, and an efficient petrol or diesel option. This new Sierra is set to redefine Tata's SUV lineup, offering a perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. Talking about the design, the Tata Sierra 2025 stays true to its roots while embracing a sleek, contemporary look. It features a bold front grille, LED headlamps, a muscular body, and a spacious cabin. Unlike the original Sierra, this time it comes with a 5-door configuration, making it more practical for daily use. The all-glass side panel design, inspired by the classic model, adds to its signature style. Moving inside, the cabin is expected to be premium and tech-loaded. Tata Motors is likely to equip the Sierra with a large touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, connected car technology, a panoramic sunroof, and premium upholstery. The seating comfort and space will be a major highlight, making it a great option for families and adventure lovers alike. Under the hood, the Tata Sierra will be offered in both electric and petrol/diesel variants. The EV version is expected to be based on Tata's Gen 2 EV platform, offering a range of around 500 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities will ensure quick top-ups, making long drives hassle-free. The ICE variant could come with Tata's latest turbocharged petrol or diesel engine, providing a balance between performance and efficiency. Safety is a priority for Tata Motors, and the Sierra will be no exception. It is expected to come with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, ESC, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and a high-strength body structure to ensure top-notch safety for passengers. Now, let's talk about the expected price. The Tata Sierra EV is likely to be priced between 25 to 30 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it a premium offering in the electric SUV segment. The petrol/diesel variants could be priced lower, starting from around 18 to 22 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The final pricing will depend on Tata's official announcement, expected later this year. With its modern design, powerful performance, premium features, and an electric avatar, the Tata Sierra 2025 is all set to be a game-changer in the Indian SUV market. Whether you're an SUV enthusiast or looking for a reliable electric vehicle, this is one launch you don't want to miss. What do you think about